Hi, second graders. Happy Tuesday. I hope you all had a really awesome evening. Um, and I hope you enjoyed the nice, beautiful weather we had. We are almost done with Number Corner, boys and girls. If you take a look at our calendar, we only have 6 more boxes that we are going to have to color in to figure out what our mystery item is. I'm so excited to see what it's going to be. And this is where we are going to start for today. So today is Tuesday, May 25th, 2021. And we're going to take a look at our fun fact. So we were talking about emus yesterday. So we're going to continue talking about emus with our fun fact that says, Daddy emus sit on the eggs. Which is kind of cool because a lot of times you hear that the moms are the ones that are sitting on the eggs, but for emus, the dads actually sit and take care of the eggs, which is kind of cool. So it looks like today we have a little riddle. So it flew past Joey. It's trying to get away. Hop, Joey, hop. Add 130, then stay. Ooh, I love a good riddle. Let's read it one more time. It flew past Joey. It's trying to get away. Hop, Joey, hop. Add 130, then stay. So let's jump right to our calendar grid. Today is Tuesday, May 25th, so it's 5:25. Yesterday we left off at 670. And let's go right to our equation because our riddle kind of gave us an equation. So we're doing 670 and we need to add 130 and that's where we're going to stay. So if I add 130, which way do my arrows need to go? You're right, boys and girls. We're going to go down one arrow and then we're going to go to the right 3 arrows. So let me grab my drawing tool. We're going to have to go down 1, that's our 100, and then to the right 3 is 10, 20, 30. So now let's go to our picture. Let me grab my highlighter. Let's take a look because our box is actually a little different today. We have a line that's going through, so we're going to be coloring half of our box. But it's important, we need to color the top half, not the bottom half. So in the past couple, we've been kind of coloring the bottom half. We need to color the top half today. All right, so let's go back. Let's find there it is, our PowerPoint. I'm gonna grab my green because it is the color green, and we need to start at 670. We're going down 100 and to the right 3. 1, 2, 3. 800, awesome. Oh, hello. Grab this again. Okay, let's try again. 800. There we go. That was weird for Miss Dunning. Color it the best you can, as best halfway as you can. Awesome. So now let's go back to our calendar grid and let's just make sure that 630 plus 130 is 800. Well, 70 plus 30, I know 7 plus 3 is 10. So if I'm doing 70 plus 30, I know that's 100. So 600 plus 100 plus 100, 600, 700, 800. 800 is our new number. Awesome. So we are going to start on Thursday, right? Because we don't do Number Corner videos on Wednesday. But on Thursday, we will look at Wednesdays and Thursdays, and that will take over 2 days. And then we're almost done figuring out what our mystery picture is. Boys and girls, I'm wondering if you have any ideas what the mystery picture is. On your seesaw today, I'm going to leave you a little line for you to write your guess of what you think our mystery picture is. There's kind of some ideas that Miss Dunning is thinking of, but I want to know what you are thinking of. All right, so now that we did that, again, you can do it in your Number Corner book or you can do it on your seesaw. You have both options. Now what I would like you to do is take out your Number Corner book and you are going to open to page 100 where you're going to see your Race Back to Zero record sheet. Miss Dunning is going to be using these 2 timelines, but you're going to notice on your record sheet you have one little line that you are going to use for Boomer. So remember, you play as Boomer, so let's set up your guys are going to be the color red, and you're going to say, we are playing for Boomer, and then we'll get your starting number, okay? And then you are going to do Boomer's jumps on this board. Miss Dunning is going to be doing both Boomer and Flyer, who I am Flyer. I'm playing against you today. I'm going to be Flyer, and I'm going to be putting them both on here. Okay, so before we begin, we have to find our starting number. To find our starting number, we have to roll our dice in the top corner. So I'm going to toss for myself. So my numbers are 1, oh, let me grab out my pen. 1, 5, and 2 are my numbers. So the goal of this game is to get as close to 0 within 5. So you can be within 5 or less of 0, okay? And so you want to get the closest to it. Now we only have 3 spins. Miss Dunning could have 152, but I feel like that might be a little bit too close to 0. So I am going to do 251. I'm going to give myself a little bit of wiggle room to be able to go backwards. So Flyer is going to start at 251. I'm now going to toss the dice for you to see what your numbers are. Ooh, you got, how crazy your numbers are. I'm going to make you guys blue actually. 1, 2, 3. Now again, I'm trying to be the best number for you. I feel like 123 might be a little bit too close to 0. So how about we started you at 231? We're kind of starting a little bit close to each other. 231 is where you're going to start. Kind of close to each other. So on your sheet, if you would like, put a dot and write in the number 231. All right, now we only get 5 jumps to get as close to 0 as we can. You only get 5, okay? And you want to stay within that 5 range to 0. Whoever gets the closest there wins. Since I went first the first time we played when we were going to 1,000, I will let you go first. So I'm going to roll for you. So it's going to be your first roll. And you got 50. Okay, so we are doing 231 minus 50. So my thought originally is take 30 out from here. So if we did 231 minus 30, that gets me 201. And then I have 201. I still have 20 left over. So 200 minus 20. Well, minus 1 from that would be 200 minus 19. I could take away 10, which would be 190 minus 9 would get me 181. Yep. So that would be like right here. So if you want to put 181 on your board, right, and you can make the little hop. You have 5 hops, so that was your first one. Now Miss Dunning will go, her turn. Oh, that's kind of on the line. I'm going to roll one more time. There we go. That's better. 20. Okay, so I started at about 251. So I was kind of right about the middle here, 251. And I'm going back only 20. Well, I know that 51 minus 20, I know 50 minus 20 is 30. So I would have 31, and my 100 didn't change, so I would be at where you guys started, 231. All right, your turn again. Ooh, 100. Okay, well this one's gonna be easy, boys and girls. If I have 181, oops, 181, and I'm taking away 100, it doesn't affect my 10s and 1s, so I can keep my 81, and 100 minus 100 is 0. So you have jumped all the way back here to 81. Nice job, boys and girls. Wow, you are really close already. Awesome, 50. So I was at, let me change my color. I was at 231. And I'm going to subtract 50, which you guys did earlier, so I know that the answer is 102. 181 because we did all this math earlier. So I'm just going to use that math and get me back to where I am. 181. All right, this is your spin. Third spin. Ooh, minus 100. Okay, so boys and girls, this gets a little interesting. So if we have 81 minus 100, our number is actually going to become negative. And that is because if we're taking away 100 things, but we only have 81, it's like if you wanted to give back somebody things, but they wanted 100 things back, but you only had 81. You still owe them items, right? So if we did 100 minus 81, well, we know that 100 minus 80 is 20, and then, and then we had 1 minus 1, we'd have 19. So technically, you went all the way back to negative 19. Okay, since you got so close to 0, right, and you're in the negatives, Miss Dunning now only has 1 chance, right? Because we had up to 5 chances, but because we were so close to 0, and you guys got super, super close with negative 19, because we owe 19, right? They want to take away fully 100, but we only had 81 to give, so we still owe 19. That's why it's a negative number. So Miss Dunning, since you're so close to 0, I only have 1 more chance to roll. So let's see what Miss Dunning rolls. Miss Dunning rolls a line. Rolls a 20. Aw, man. So 181 minus 20 would only get me to 161. So looking at our numbers here, I would be at 161. So looking at 161, 0, and negative 19, who is closer to this number? You're right, boys and girls, you are, because you're technically 19 jumps away, where I am still a whole 161 jumps away. So that means that who won the game but Boomer, the second graders? You won this time. Good job. I'm so, so proud of you. So in your number corner books, I would like you to record the jumps that you made. So you started at 231, got to 181, got to 81, and you finished at negative 19. So in your book, you should have those on your timeline. And then if you want to put winner was the second graders. Awesome job, my friends. So in your number corner book, make sure you color in the number 800 for today. Play this game against me, and I will see you on Thursday with our last few days of Number Corner. Have a great night.